Good morning all. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss question number 8.9 of NCERT exercise of redox reactions. And this chapter belongs to class 11. So question is, consider the reactions. So first reaction C, it is the reaction of photosynthesis. CO2 plus H2O to give carbohydrate means glucose plus O2. And second one is ozone plus H2O2 to give H2O and O2. So it is written that why it is more appropriate to write these reactions as, this is overall reaction, and it is written as 6H2O gas plus 12H2O liquid. Instead of 6H2O, it is written 12H2O liquid on reactant side and 6H2O liquid on the product side. So why is it so? First, let us write the answer for this question, that why it is more appropriate to write like this. Reaction of photosynthesis is very complex, but in simple language, if we are going to discuss, then first of all, H2O liquid, A part, okay, H2O liquid will give H2 gas plus O2 gas. Okay, H2O liquid to give H2 gas plus O2 gas, just balance it. Okay, and then this H2 gas will reduce carbon of the carbon dioxide to give glucose, okay, along with H2O. Now just balance it. 6 carbon, 6 CO2, 12 hydrogen, and okay, 6 to the 12 oxygen. So 6H2O, and it is, yes, 24, so 12H2. Okay, so to balance it, it is multiplied by 6. So overall it comes out to be 6 CO2 gas plus 12 H2O liquid, H2 cancel, and C6H12O6 solid plus 6H2O liquid. So it is more appropriate to write like this along with 6 CO2, 6 O2 gas. Okay, so why it is more appropriate to write like this? Because first of all, this 12 H2O are used to produce 12 H2 gas, and then this 12 H2 gas is used to reduce carbon dioxide to give back 6 H2O liquid. Okay, so that means better to write like 12 H2O on the reactant side and 6 H2O liquid on the right side, because 12 H2O liquid are consumed to reduce to produce 1 mole of glucose. We can write it as 12 H2O liquid gives 12 H2 gas to produce 1 mole of glucose. To produce 1 mole of glucose. Okay, because this 12 H2 gas is used to reduce 6 moles of carbon dioxide, so that we will get 1 mole of glucose. That's why it is better to write like this rather than the 6H2O and no H2 on the product side. Done. Then second part. In second part, it is written as O3 gas plus H2O2 liquid to give H2O liquid plus O2 gas and O2 gas. Rather than writing 2O2 gas, it is written as O2 gas plus O2 gas. So why is it so? Because you know it is overall reaction of O3 gas which gives 1 O2 along with nascent oxygen, and then in the second reaction H2O2 react with O2 gas to give H2O liquid along with nascent oxygen and O2 gas. So O2 gas is produced in different reactions. In first reaction, one O2 is produced, and in the other reaction, second reaction, other O2 is produced. That's why better to write it like it simply indicates that two O2 molecules are produced, but one in each reaction. Okay, and these can be predicted by using O318 or H2O2 18. Then we will come to know that O2 is produced in two different reactions. Okay, and same is the case with first one, that if we take it as H2O18 or D2O, then we will come to know about the mechanism of the reaction. So why is it written as 12H2O and 6H2O on the other side? That I think you will understand. You understood the topic. And second case, why O2 can be written separately, just to predict or just to detect that two O2 molecules are produced in two different reactions. So that's all about this question. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.